Hi everybody, welcome to Health Channel. Today we want to talk about green peas. Green peas are a legume plant. The green pea seeds are placed inside a bag-like cover. These bags are made from flowers and contain seeds. Therefore, these bags can be thought of as fruits. But according to the definition, green pea seeds are classified in the category of plants. Like many vegetables, green peas have been used for cooking since the past. This plant is usually cultivated in the cold seasons, i.e. from the beginning of winter or early spring. What distinguishes green peas from other plants is the protein in them. There is 1 gram of protein in 170 grams of cooked carrots, while this amount is 4 times in green peas. Green peas are rich in protein and at the same time contain a large amount of vitamins and minerals and are considered nutritious foods. Green peas are considered a source of nutrition. They contain essential amino acids, cysteine and lysine. Green peas contain many essential nutrients such as vitamin B, vitamin E, starch, fats and protein. It also helps to treat many diseases. These green peas are low fat, sweet taste and very important for metabolism. Proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Green peas are a very good source of vitamins such as vitamin K, manganese, dietary fiber, vitamin B, copper, phosphorus and folic acid. They are also an excellent source of vitamin B6, niacin, B12, zinc, protein, magnesium, iron, potassium and choline. Properties of green peas. Number 1. Weight management and control. Green peas have a very little fat and are low in calories. Therefore, they are often included in vegetarian and non-vegetarian diets. This vegetable is considered as a good source of health. Compared to beans, green peas have very low calories. Green peas contain excellent amount of fiber and vitamins. Number 2. Peas are good for bones. Green peas are rich in vitamins K and D, which help absorb calcium and prevent osteoporosis and strengthen bones. Vitamin K in green peas prevents diseases such as arthritis and Alzheimer's. Number 3. Green peas and cancer prevention. Green peas are rich in vitamins, fibers and antioxidants that keep our body healthy and reduce the risk of cancer. Vitamin A and C in green peas prevent the spread of prostate, breast, ovarian, and pancreatic cancers. Number 4. Green peas for the immune system. The high amount of antioxidants in green peas prevent various reactions in the body that may cause serious diseases. They are a rich source of many minerals such as iron, calcium, zinc, copper, manganese, etc., which strengthen your immune system. Number 5. Green peas and anti-aging. Green peas are useful in combating skin aging. Antioxidants such as flavonoids, catechin, epicatechin, carotenoids, alpha-carotene, etc. are useful in preventing skin aging process. Green peas are used to improve skin color. Number 6. Green peas to regulate blood sugar. High fiber and protein reduce fast sugar caused by digestion. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substances reduce insulin resistance. Green peas do not contain any additional sugar such as white sugar or chemicals and thus help regulate blood sugar in the body. Number 7. Green peas are suitable for cardiovascular system. As an excellent source of protein, green peas reduce cardiovascular diseases caused by consuming red and white meat. The fiber in green peas prevents cholesterol from entering the body and prevents cholesterol from entering the arteries and is beneficial for heart health. Number 8. Peas and improve the digestion process. The fiber in green peas has made them a good aid for digestion. Fiber also controls and improves the body's metabolism and general by improving digestion. Number 9. Green peas useful for vision. Using green peas is useful for people who have vision problems. Due to the presence of flavonoids such as lutein, green peas have a good amount of flavonoid antioxidants such as lutein, carotene, rectantine, and vitamin A. Vitamin A is one of the essential nutrients that is necessary to maintain the health of mucous membranes, skin, and eyesight. Number 10. Green peas are good for mental health. This benefit includes an important component called folate, which has a positive effect on our mental health. Doctors usually advise depressed people to eat food that have a lot of antioxidants. Number 11. Benefits of green peas in pregnancy. Green peas are very rich in iron and are useful for pregnant or lactating women who often face the problem of iron deficiency. Side effects and harms of green peas. Green peas contain large amount of vitamins and fiber. It also contains vitamin D, which has maintained bone mass. However, excessive absorption leads to calcium loss in your body. Consuming too much green peas can build up urea in the body, which may cause gout. Green pea protein powder is processed by extracting protein from green pea and may cause irritability syndrome or consumption of diarrhea. At the end of the video, if you like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also use this information. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question about green peas, ask in comment section. Give us energy with your likes. Our wish is your health. Have a nice day.